MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, Pack of 12, Size, 12.6 inch x 12.6. Brand, MR.SIGA. Color Assorted. Towel Form Type, Cleaning Cloth. Age Range, Description. All ages. Material, microfiber. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no. Product dimensions, 12.6 x 12.6 by 0.2 inches, 0.79 ounces. Item model number, SJ21632. Manufacturer, Ningbo Shijia Cleaning Tools Company, Limited Country of Origin, China. MR.SIGA Multicolor Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, reusable and long-lasting, special stitching process, can be repeatedly washed and not easily tear up. The properly thickness and size, 12.6 inches by 12.6 inches, 32 x 32 cm, to help you easily clean house, kitchen, dishes, furniture, etc., tackle versatile cleaning jobs. Use instructions. Machine wash or hand wash microfiber cloths separately in warm water and mild detergent. Do not use bleach or fabric softener. Do not tumble. Do not iron. Always keep dry after use. Super absorbent. Compared with other clean wipes, a bit more thick, the microfiber cleaning cloth has great water absorption, quickly absorb water on the countertop or bucket. Also it dries much faster, easy to clean oil, stains, dust, etc. Scratch-free, soft, non-abrasive cleaning cloth, not scratch items, paint, coatings, or other surfaces. It captures tiny dust and particles without leaving streaks. The next time cleaning cloths reused again, it can be kept in a soft state again. Why choose MR.SIGA? Choose MR.SIGA for top quality, eco-conscious cleaning solutions, designed to enhance your cleaning experience. Our versatile, stylish products ensure exceptional results, making cleaning efficient and enjoyable. What is a microfiber cleaning cloth? A microfiber cleaning cloth is a type of cloth made from very fine fibers that are tightly woven together to create a highly absorbent and durable material. What are microfiber cleaning cloths used for? Microfiber cleaning cloths are commonly used for cleaning a wide variety of surfaces, including kitchen, furniture, car, and other smooth surfaces. They can be used dry to dust and polish or dampened with water or clean surfaces. How do you clean and maintain microfiber cleaning cloths? Can be washed by hand or in a washing machine using mild detergent and warm water. It's important to avoid using fabric softener or bleach as these can damage the microfiber material. After washing, hang or lay flat to air dry. Are microfiber cleaning cloths better than traditional cleaning cloths? Microfiber cleaning cloths are highly effective at picking up dirt and debris, and require less cleaning solution than traditional cleaning cloths. They are also more durable and generally last longer than traditional cloths. It can be reused. Ultra-soft material and scratch-free ultra-soft and highly absorbent microfiber cleaning cloths, great for cleaning windows, kitchenware, car, or other delicate surfaces. Absorbent and lint-free, made of 85% polyester, 15% nylon. These non-abrasive cleaning rags can soak up water from the countertop and tables instantly and without lint or streaks left behind. Clean with or without water, from worktops, appliances to kitchens, bathrooms, mirrors, etc., they will make your house sparkling. Tackle versatile cleaning jobs. These premium microfiber towels are also perfect dish rags which don't smell, removes grease and particles from microwave oven, plates, pots or pans effortlessly. Not only that, you will be amazed, they are also terrific duster that removes fingertips from silverware and glasses easily and leaves your kitchen spotless. Reusable and long-lasting, these microfiber towels feature high-quality stitching with reinforced edges. They are durable and made to last hundreds of washings. They are lightweight, super absorbent and dry quickly. Use them every day to enjoy your cleaning. MR.SIGA's mission: make your housework easier and make the world cleaner. Should you have any questions about the product or after-sale service, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here for support and advice.